is coming on, so it was a celebration of style and glamour.
सर आपने कहा था कि आप रैम पे किसी भी सेलिब्रिटीज़ को किसी भी जो भी बॉलीवुड से रिलेटेड है रैम पे नहीं चलाएंगे, लेकिन आज हम देख रहे थे स्टनिंग मॉडल लाइक कैटरीना और रिया जी ने आज रैम वॉक किया, क्या इसके बारे में कहना चाहेंगे?
I think the question was directed for Rani Mukherjee, but for Katrina and Raima, I'll say they are models, they're supermodels, and they're great actresses. So I think the question doesn't arise at all. Well, the concept was presenting fashion in India. You know, everything that we used was Indian textiles, but we wanted to do something modern, and we wanted to make a presentation for people in India. You know, not just a boring fashion show, but something which had audiovisuals, which had brilliant choreography, and which had timing. I think the show was finished in about 18 or 19 minutes, so it was a slick presentation. And the focus, in spite of so many things happening, the focus was still on clothes. I think I'm very happy with the show. I am getting a lot of positive feedback from people that everybody loved the show. So we are very, very happy.
तीनों सुपर मॉडल्स को जो लुक दिए हैं, कतरीना ने जो पहन रखा है, राइमा और इंद्राणी जो पहन रखा है, उसको थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कीजिए।
Katrina is wearing something which is gothic, which has inspiration from India, but it has a shirt, it has a lehenga, it has a long robe, and it takes its inspiration from Sufism. Indrani is wearing something in khadi, but it's a trench coat with a white shirt. It's almost like a school uniform, but it's inspired by a favorite painter of mine called Frida Kahlo. And Raima is wearing something, she's wearing a sari and she's wearing a pinstripe blouse made out of men's fabric. So there is a mix and match of everything. So it is quintessentially Indian, but also very international.
तो आप कह रहे हैं फ्री स्पिरिट के तीन एलिमेंट्स?
See, the three important elements are basically mix and match and using different cultures and putting them together.
सभी आज का आपका पूरा कलेक्शन विमेंस बेस था, मेंस वेयर कुछ कहीं था नहीं, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि कहीं मेंस को आपने निराश तो नहीं किया आज के आपके इस ग्रैंड फिनाले में?
See, I'm a women's wear designer, so I essentially design for women, and the grand finale is for Lakme. So if men start wearing makeup, then I'll start doing clothes for them as well.
कतरीना आप बताइए।
A very beautiful garment.
After a long time, you're getting back to rap, so tell us something.
Well, I've been associated with Lakme for the last 2 years, and it's a brand which is very close to my heart. So I always try and make it a point to definitely be there whenever there's a Lakme event.
Very much happy with what you're wearing right now.
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling happy that I was able to be here today. I think Sabya's done a wonderful job, and the Lakme finale's gone off beautifully. So I think everyone's just relieved.
Yes, there was a lot of Russian and Mexican touch, but it was also Indianized with Sharmila Tagore Bufos and little bindis and old Kanbali. So there was a lot of Indo-ethnic mix with a little bit of Mexican Russian looks put together.
मुझे पूछा था कि what do you want to wear, तो मैंने बोला whatever you want, and I think he just read my mind. I was dying to wear a sari.
And I think Bengali girls look awesome in saris.
हाँ, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं साड़ी पहनी हूँ. I think the most comfortable thing for me, and even the walking and stuff, because I don't really walk, so I was very comfortable wearing it. Huh? I think it's as difficult. I was very, very nervous, but now that I've done it, I'm sure I'll be able to do some more.
Raima, we talk about food more than we talk about clothes.
That's true.
And I always admired, if you looked at some of the costumes that he had done, and he designed his own costumes, they were almost like what Balenciaga does now. So I think it was very futuristic, and I got inspired by a lot of his shapes as well. So I think he's a maestro that nobody in India has been able to touch. So I really, really respect him.
सभी कलर्स के बारे में जो आपने जो
And it was night. So day was mostly pastels and off-whites, and night was black, because black is going to be a very strong color this season. And also at the same time there were deep reds and greens in Frida. So night, but I had mostly kept a more cottonish kind of a feel, because these are the fabrics of future. But it was the color palette in day was lighter, and the color palette in night was much more stronger.
सभी आपके कलेक्शन जो थे वो मतलब हम देख रहे थे
You know, this is a question I've been asked often, but I think this is a collection that is going. It's more for a global buyer, because I think people in India can buy pieces of the collection, people internationally can buy pieces of the collection. This is a collection that part of this collection, especially the Frida segment, has been shown in New York Fashion Week and the sporty segment. So, and I have got buyers all over the world, and there are a lot of stores in India which will be taking this collection also. So, I would call it a very global collection.
Okay, one last question.
I'm very happy that she came. I didn't expect her to come, but then I think she surprised me. So I'm very happy she was there for me today.